Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to highlight text using CapCut. Now let's begin. For now, I have an image file that I'd like to drag to the timeline. And this is the text that I want to highlight. So here's what I can do. For now, I'm gonna add a text. You can find it right here on the nav bar. I'm gonna click on it and select default text. I'm gonna click and drag this default text to the timeline. And right here in this default text, I'm simply gonna enter an underscore. If you want, you can change its color. Well, for now, since highlighting needs to be green, I think this should be enough. Let's scroll down once more. Now, I recommend you to turn off this uniform scale, and from here you can scale the height and the width. I want to highlight about this much. You can increase its height and width, it's completely up to you. And now once everything's okay, I'm gonna scroll down again and decrease its opacity. I think this should be enough. You can also add animations by going in this animation tab. Lots of animations right here, but I prefer the swipe right option. Since the duration is too less, I'm gonna increase its duration so it has a good effect. And there you have it. That's how you highlight a text in CapCut. You can also add animations that way. There are lots of animations available here, it's completely up to you. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.